There's a subtle voice many people carry that says, I shouldn't need this much. More rest, more reassurance, more space, more time. So instead of listening to what we need, we negotiate with it. We minimize, we compare, we tell ourselves we should be able to handle more. But needs aren't weaknesses, they're information. What you need today might not look like what you needed yesterday, and it doesn't have to make sense to anyone else to be valid. Needing support doesn't mean you're dependent. Needing rest doesn't mean you're lazy. Needing space doesn't mean you're pushing people away. It means you're paying attention. When you stop arguing with your needs, something softens. Your body doesn't have to work as hard to get your attention, and choice becomes clear. Today's shift is this: you're allowed to need what you need without explaining it, earning it, or apologizing for it. Let's say that again, saying, I am allowed. I am allowed to need what I need without explaining it, earning it, or apologizing for it. Listening is enough.